let's see how this goes. Hey guys, Shawn here with Unique Sound and Design, and today we have a 53-foot trailer in our shop. This is pretty much about what we can fit in the shop. We're going to be putting I think it's 18 by 8-foot graphic on this for A Pleasant Construction Company. We rented a scissor lift, should be on its way here shortly. But you're not going to want to miss it, stick around. Alright guys, we just finished up with that big semi for A Pleasant Construction. This is what it looks like. That's the one side. They're about to pull it out now. And there's the other side. Tune in next time where we wrap something completely different. Talk to you guys later.